LuxMed Washer-Disinfector, medical washer, medical washer-disinfector, surgical instrument washer or instrument washer-disinfector, laboratory washer or glassware washer, dental washer-disinfector, endoscope reprocessor. LuxMed Washer-Disinfector state-of-the-art manufacturing facility integrates cutting-edge technologies with proprietary design, mechanical, advanced fabrication technology, laser cutting and CNC bending, AI, IoT, and automation to create high-precision, scalable and ergonomic process. LuxMed Washer-Disinfector is an automated machine used in medical, dental, and laboratory environments to clean and thermally disinfect reusable instruments. It replaces manual scrubbing with a standardized, validated cycle of pressurized water, enzymatic detergents, and high temperatures to eliminate pathogens before sterilization. How to use LuxMed Washer-Disinfector. Operating the unit properly is critical to ensuring device safety and infection control. 1. Preparation and sorting. Disassemble. Take apart complex devices and fully open all hinged instruments, e.g., scissors, forceps, so water can reach every surface. Avoid stacking. Do not stack instruments on top of each other in the trays. Use specialized fine mesh or compartment baskets for small items or drill bits. Lumen Flushing. For cannulated, hollow, instruments, attach the internal flushing hoses to ensure water circulates through the channels. 2. Loading the machine. Place instruments in an organized, single layer in the instrument racks. Ensure spray arms can rotate freely and are not blocked by tall items. Secure the door and check that chemical detergent reservoirs are adequately filled. 3. Running the cycle. Power on the machine and navigate the touchscreen menu to select the appropriate program. Common phases in an automated cycle include O pre-wash. Cold water removes gross debris and bioburden. O wash. Hot water and enzymatic, neutral detergents break down proteins and organic matter. O rinse. Washes away leftover chemical detergents. O thermal disinfection. Water is heated, typically above 82 degrees Celsius, for a specific duration to kill microorganisms. O drying. Circulates heated air to prevent bacterial growth and moisture buildup. 4. Maintenance. Daily. Empty and clean the debris screen at the bottom of the chamber. Routine. Wipe down internal and external surfaces weekly to prevent soil buildup. LuxMed washer-disinfectors are automated machines built to decontaminate, clean, and thermally disinfect reusable medical and laboratory instruments. Their design emphasizes hygienic stainless steel construction, precise multi-stage process control, and strict compliance with global safety standards. Key design elements and phases. Structural material. Chambers and plumbing are made of high-grade, corrosion-resistant stainless steel, e.g., 316L, 304, to withstand harsh chemicals and high temperatures. Pre-rinse. Uses cold water to flush out loose debris and proteins without coagulating them. Cleaning and neutralization. Automated dosing pumps dispense alkaline or enzymatic cleaners. This is followed by a low pH neutralizer to remove chemical residues. Thermal disinfection. Reaches high temperatures, 90 degrees Celsius to 95 degrees Celsius, for specific holding times to achieve the required A0 value, minimum 3000, for destroying harmful pathogens. Active drying. Turbulent air circulated through HEPA filters completely dries both the exterior and interior of instruments to prevent corrosion. Mechanical features. Fluid dynamics and spray arms. Configured via computational fluid dynamics, CFD, to deliver sweeping, high-pressure water distribution across every level of the basket. Lumen Flushing. Dedicated manifolds and flexible hoses attached to cannulated or hollow instruments to ensure water and detergent flow directly through narrow channels. Ergonomics and ergonomic racks. Racks are designed for effortless loading and unloading, often including telescopic connections and robotic system integrations. Airflow management. Pass-through, double-door, designs separate the clean and dirty sides of the CSSD, Central Sterile Services Department, preventing cross-contamination of air. LuxMed looking for offshore manufacturing partner for inline country that produces goods for local demands and supply to reduce manufacturing costs or access specialized capabilities and technology access to scale global business operation. For details, please revert.